the biggest mistakes I made in my backyard garden, and what I will do differently. If I had to start this backyard garden again, I will do many things differently. Because what looks like a simple garden is actually a system. And when the system is weak, problems show immediately. Greetings, my fellow South Africans. This is Kondos from Inkarhi is Time. Inkarhi is Time is a movement for change, empowerment and transformation. And through the Inkarhi Model of Self-Reliance, we focus on 4 pillars. 1. Food production. 2. Local economy. 3. Skills and education. 4. Entrepreneurship. In today's video, I want to reflect honestly on the mistakes I made in this garden, but more importantly, what I will do differently if I had to start all over again. Mistake number 1. Under-preparing the system. Water plus compost. One of my biggest mistakes was underestimating preparation. I focused too much on planting quickly, but I did not build enough systems before planting. If I had to start all over again, I will first focus on soil preparation, building compost early, and improving water planning. Because I've realized something important. I don't want to rely on chemicals to fix soil problems later. So, compost becomes a foundation, not an afterthought. Organic matter, decomposed waste, and natural nutrients are what make soil alive. And when soil is alive, plants are stronger and more resistant. This is something I will prioritize from day one. Mistake number 2. Not building compost early enough. Another major mistake was not building compost in time. At the beginning, I thought I could manage soil fertility as I go. But I've learned that soil health is not something you fix later. It must be built continuously. If I started again, I will begin composting immediately, because compost is not just fertilizer. It is the long-term engine of the garden, and without it, growth becomes dependent on external inputs. Mistake number 3. Not preparing for pests and diseases. One of the biggest realities I faced is pests and diseases. When crops start growing, they immediately attract insects and infections, and I was not fully prepared for that. At first, I reacted only when problems appeared, but I have learned something important. In gardening, prevention is stronger than reaction. If I started again, I would prepare early organic pest control solutions. For example, natural sprays, herbal mixtures, companion planting strategies, and regular monitoring. This is very important because pests don't wait. They come quickly and they multiply even faster. So organic pest control is not optional. It is part of the system. Mistake number 4. Expecting nature to follow my timeline. Another mistake I made was expecting everything to grow at the same speed. But nature has its own timing. Some crops grow fast, some take longer, and some struggle no matter what you do. This taught me patience and observation, and it connects directly to the second pillar of the Inkarhi Model of Self-Reliance, skills and education, because real educations come from experience, not assumptions. Mistake number 5. Not building resilient systems for assistance. Another challenge I faced is depending too much on manual help without systems. When I'm not around, small inconsistencies happen. Watering changes. Processes are not followed exactly. And in gardening, small inconsistencies become big problems over time. If I started again, I will create clear routines, simple instructions, and structured systems, so that even if I'm not present, the garden still functions correctly. What I will do differently. Lesson in summary. If I had to start this garden from zero, This would be my priorities. 1. Build compost immediately, no delay. 2. Design water systems early. 3. Prepare organic pest control before planting. 4. Plan crop layout carefully. 5. Build systems that can function without constant supervision. And most importantly, I would understand that self-reliance is not about doing everything yourself. It is about building systems that can sustain life. Connection to the Inkarhi model. This experience also connects directly to the Inkarhi model of self-reliance. 1. Food production. This garden shows that food security starts at household level. 2. Skills and education. Every mistake becomes a lesson when you are willing to learn. 3. Local economy. When people produce food locally, dependency reduces. 4. Entrepreneurship. And every challenge creates opportunity for improvement and even business. This is how transformation begins. As I conclude, I want to say the following. This garden is not perfect, and I am not claiming to have all the answers, but I am learning in real time, and every mistake is building a stronger foundation. If I had waited for perfection, I would never have started. But now I understand. Progress is built through correction, not perfection. If you found value in this video, please like, comment, and share it with someone who is trying to start their own garden or become more self-reliant. And subscribe to Inkarhi. It's time for more honest journeys on food production, local economy, skills development, and entrepreneurship. In the next video, I will show the improvements I'm now making, especially around composting, pest control, and water systems. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching and take care. This is Kondos from Inkarhi. It's time signing off from dependence to self-reliance.